Hey guys, it's me on the back on Insanity, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make an easy paper Halloween mask. And I've chosen a puppet from Five Nights at Freddy's for today's Halloween creation. So yeah, let's start with just a single A4 paper. We'll add on some materials along the way, but just in case you want to be prepared, here are some extra materials you'll require. But other than that, the most important piece is going to be our white A4. So we're going to start off by folding this guy in half. So puppet's mask isn't too big, so about half an A4 would be a decent size, I believe. So there would be the smile, maybe a bit bigger than half, like about this much. Yeah. Now let's just cut it. Alright, we don't need this. So fold it right in the middle so we can create a mirror image on both sides. We'll use a pencil to draw it out. Now I believe it's gonna look something like this, coming all the way there. It has a massive cheekbone, then similarly from the downwards. Actually, 7.5 is where the cheekbone lies. So something like that. Now we are going to cut it out immediately. Like that. Now that's our most of the mask ready, so we'll do some folds later on, but for the time being let's refine it a bit more. Just like that. And let's add our eyes, which is like right there. Now suit this mask according to your face size. This size just randomly guessed, so if your head's too small you might want to put these closer, and if your head's big you might want to put the eyes a bit farther apart. Depends on your personal taste as well. Okay, so there's our eyes, then our mouth would be somewhere right there. A smile, just like that. Alright, maybe a bit higher the eyes and the mouth as well. Alright, so we're going to cut this, both our mouth and the eyes. Okay, for the eyes, I'll need to poke some holes in there so it'll be easier to cut out. So I use my compass. Alright, just like that. And once that is finished, you want to add the decorations, aka the design aspect of the things, which includes a purple tear looking thing and red cheeks and chin, and as well as to cover up the mouth you might want to use some black A4 paper, just a little bit. So I'll quickly add the designs and I'll see when that's done. Alright, so we're at the closing steps. I'm quickly going to stick these red polka dots in each cheekbone, right over there. And the other one as well, just like that. And we have our puppet's basic foundation done. Next up would be more designing, but this time using a marker, because we're gonna have to do something more detailed, which is right there. A small design right there, and one more at the bottom. Just like that. Alright, so that's our character design done. Now let's move on to the tape folding, which is more of a fun part for me. And now, since it's got a round face, we're gonna start with the top fold on either side of the eyes, like such. And a small one at the center as well, just a long one but a small one. Just like that. And like one at this side of the chin. And mirror it on the other side like this. And finally we need a few on the cheekbone area. Like that. And just press it down a little bit there, the cheek one. And then there you have it. Our puppet mask is ready. The eyes might be a bit too apart, so let me fix that up real quick. Okay, just like that. Our puppet mask is all ready. Pretty simple, pretty neat. And that's about it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. We got some inspiration to do some paper crafts, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment me down below what should I do next in my next videos, and share my videos. Thank you. Bye bye.